Hey, I'm Darrell from Honeydew Men. That sidewalk you're looking at is pitted and deteriorated because of salt being put on it because of the ice. So we're going to look at a different way to solve the snow and ice problem without using salt. So here you got the pitting of the walkway, but you can see it's all coming apart. And the gutter up top here, where the ice is just coming sheeting right off and then running and hitting the ground. So we want to get rid of the snow and ice. We're going to do that by installing a heating cable up there. If you have a snow and ice problem, the only way to get rid of the snow and ice problem is to get rid of the snow and ice. So new gutters is not the answer. Gutter covers is not the answer. In fact, covers usually create a shelf for snow and ice to sit on, and you'll see an increase in ice sickling whenever you put a cover on almost any brand at all. And maybe a decrease in ice damming, which is water going up the roof, but definitely increase in ice sickling. So you're actually going to have a worse problem by putting a cover on, not a better problem. And new gutters isn't going to help either. You need heating cables. So again, the heating cable is going to go in the downspout here. It's going to go up to the top. It's going to run in the gutter and it'll run along the roof line. We want to melt the snow and ice on the roof, and you have to run it in the gutter because you got to give the water someplace to go. So it's going to go into the gutter and down the downspout like it does when it rains, but it's not going to do that if the downspout's frozen and the gutter's frozen. So if you're melting the roof and you're not melting the gutter and the leader, you're not doing anything to help yourself. You're just going to have the snow just come right off the top onto the sidewalk, refreeze, and you're right back there using salt. So that's not the answer. One other thing I want to just add is that I noticed the utility company here added this PVC sleeve to the gutter, which I really like, because the lines are touching, and aluminum and electricity, well, you know, aluminum conducts electricity, so it's not a good idea. So I like that they took this PVC and just screwed it on top just to keep it from touching. It may not be the prettiest thing in the world, but it's a great safety thing, so I do actually like that they did that. I'm Darrell from Honeydew Men. Sometimes it's not a gutter guy you need, a salt guy you need, or an ice dam guy you need. Sometimes it's just a Honeydew Man you need to point in the right direction and answer those questions. Thanks for tuning in.